Is it the right time to buy or sell Super Micro Computer stock? Let's dive deep into the world of Super Micro Computer. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 8, 2023, our system has ranked Super Micro Computer as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.62. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, Super Micro Computer has exceeded our expectations, delivering a noteworthy gain of 6.26% since our initial recommendation to buy it just 11 days ago. This equates to an impressive average return of 0.57% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. Currently, this stock finds itself in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a potential further rise within this trend. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a suggestion of a 5.5% change over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -10.12% to 18.08%. On a larger scale, the 12-month trend suggests a substantial 139.11% change over the next year. This could result in potential returns between 119.67% and 276.59%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $636.43 to $1,091.06 after a year. In our latest update on Super Micro Computer, we have some significant news. The stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Friday's trading session. On the last day, which was Friday, the 22nd of December 2023, the Super Micro Computer stock price experienced a decrease of 4.75%, dropping from $304.18 to $289.72. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.49%, reaching a low of $285.05 and a high of $309.25. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 6.26%, with 6 out of the last 10 days showing an increase. However, it's worth noting that although the volume of shares traded increased by 2 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 4 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $1.28 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $357, while the lowest price reached $69.02. At present, the price is 18.85% below the 52-week high, amounting to $67.28 lower. It's important to note that the highest price of $357 is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush upgraded its rating for SMCI to neutral. On Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna maintained a neutral rating for SMCI with a hold action. On Wednesday, June 7, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities initiated coverage on SMCI with a buy rating. On Friday, August 12, 2022, Susquehanna upgraded its rating for SMCI to positive with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research upgraded its rating for SMCI to buy. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend investing in Super Micro Computer due to its excellent PE ratio and price-to-book value. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have a more neutral stance on the stock. Let's analyze the signals for Super Micro Computer stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is currently higher than the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock. In case of further gains, the stock may face resistance around $304.09 from the short-term moving average. On the downside, the long-term average may provide some support around $279.36. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 18, 2023, resulting in a decline of -10.08% so far. Further downward movement is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that volume increased during the recent price decline, which could be an early warning sign requiring closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 66 days ago. Short-term moving average, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, we had a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for super microcomputer. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $269.63 and $255. If the stock tests a support level and it breaks, it may fall to the next support level. For super microcomputer, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $269.63 if the current level is broken, followed by $255 and $245.90. It's important to note that this stock is considered high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movement during the day, which is known as volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band predicts a large interval for this stock. Looking at the numbers, the stock had a $24.20 difference between its high and low in the last day, representing 8.49% movement. On average, it has had a daily volatility of 6.36% over the past week. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for super microcomputer, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric we need to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Super microcomputer has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $4.57. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for super microcomputer. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $293.87. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to break this level before considering a position. For those who already own shares, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a downturn, the initial support level to keep an eye on is at $269.63. If this support level holds, it could indicate a potential entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for super microcomputer, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. In the most recent insider trades, Lao Yishai and Wally both bought and sold a total of 15,319 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 30.045. Overall, insiders have purchased 534,268 shares and sold 262,610 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $275.70, which represents a decrease of 4.84%. This particular stock is known for its high daily movements, which in turn brings a higher level of risk. In fact, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 4 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? While Super Microcomputer holds several positive signals, we don't find them sufficient to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, it should be seen as a hold candidate, meaning you can hold or accumulate it in your portfolio, while waiting for further development. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock. Previously, we rated it as a buy, but now we consider it a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Super Microcomputer is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 26th, we expect Super Microcomputer to open up $4.95 and start trading at $294.67. Before we dive into today's topic, we want to emphasize that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for basing your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're sharing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below. What's your target for this stock? Let us know. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to support your trading success. Have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.